Okay, so ito is checking off documents, materials, equipments, tools, projectors, laptops. Okay, everything is set, and I am ready to welcome my trainees. So welcome to Ramsar Training Center. This is an institution which is accredited by TESDA, and I am your trainer for the bread and pastry production in C2, and I am Ezekiel Ikabusog, and I am a TESDA accredited trainer for this qualification. So before we start, please stand up. Let us have a prayer. Okay, thank you. Please take your seat. So as I call your name, please say present and please fill in this attendance sheet. Okay, Mr. Kadosale, please sign the attendance sheet. Ms. Kabusog, please sign the attendance sheet. Okay, thank you. So I have here the data gathering tool for trainees characteristics. So I want you to fill this out within 3 minutes. So this will help me to determine what type of learner do I have, and this will also determine the underpinning knowledge of yours regarding this qualification. So this will also help me to provide exact type of training that will fit your needs. So again, 3 minutes will have to fill this out. Okay, this one is for you and for you. Okay, so thank you. Next is the self-assessment check. So also you have 3 minutes to comply this. So this will help me measure your underpinning knowledge and competency. So that will be fit with your needs. So you have 3 minutes. Okay, thank you so much. So I have here the pre-test, that is a 40-item test. So you will be given 50 minutes to answer this pre-test. So please read the instructions and understand it clearly. So if you do not have any questions, you may now start answering the pre-test. Okay? Okay, thank you so much. So for those who have signed the self-assessment check with a yes, please submit your proof of competency next time that we meet. Okay, for those who don't have, don't worry, because by the end of this training, you will be able to have the idea or have your knowledge with this qualification. Okay, so welcome trainees. So for those who have signed yes or checked yes with the self-assessment guide, may I have your proof of competencies? Okay, so very well. Ms. Kabusog, you have here
self-assessment check. Dili self-assessment guide.
Sige, self-assessment check. So it is stated here that you are a graduate in Bachelor of Science in Baking and Pastry Arts, and also you are a head baker at the Amargandas Bakery. So I'll just have to call the manager of this bakery and conduct conduct RPL for the validation of your competencies. Okay, so yeah. Then, PowerPoint na to, sir, sa?
Yes.
So let's move on to the orientation proper of our qualification. So, bread and pastry production and C2. So this qualification.
Wala, review.
Review na to din.
Also, ano? Wala, nasig mo. Mas na to dito. Sige.
Okay, so bread and pastry production in situ. So the qualification description of this bread and pastry production in C2 it consists of competencies that a person must achieve to be able to clean equipment.
Sige, and so on ra na. Rantro ra.
Ana. Okay, sige, and so on. So the competencies, we have 3 competencies: the basic, the common, and core competencies. For the basic competencies,
pakita ra. Sige. Next.
For the common competencies,
the core i-mention tinagsa.
okay, so for the core competencies, we have to first prepare and produce bakery products. Second is to prepare and produce pastry products. Third is to prepare and present cake, torts, and cakes. Fourth is to prepare and display petit fours. And the last one is we have to present desserts. Okay? So with the number of hours of this qualification, which has the course title Bread and Pastry Production in C2. For our nominal training duration, for the basic we have 18 hours. For the common we have 18 hours. Core competencies we have 105 hours. So for a overall total duration, we have 141 hours.
Wala ni mo na usab ang basic ni mo diha. Katong
Ay, wala,
bag-o.
sir.
Usbo ni mo to Dum bag-o na.
Go. So, a person who has achieved this qualification is competent to be commis pastry and a baker.
Commis pastry.
Okay, commis pastry and a baker. So, what is CBT? So,
explain na. Sige.
CBT stands for Competency-Based Training, which is a training delivery approach that focuses on the competency development of the learner as a result of the training. Further explain to you, sir.
Sige, gamay ra ko no kaya.
Kamay ra, sir.
Sige, pa.
Go. And so, moving on, we have the 10 principles of competency-based.
Out of 10, mo explain kag 3. Pili ra ka. Sige, go.
Pero isulti ang tanan nga 10, sir. Dili na siya necessary.
Pwede ra. Aturang tuloy mo.
Sige,
Ipakita ra nimo.
Ay, pakita ra siya. So, the first principle is based on curriculum developed from the competency standards. So, of course, when we are going to have our training, it should be based on our curriculum, which is from the competency standards for the standard requirements. The second principle is learning competency-based or modular in structure. So, third principle, training delivery is individualized and self-paced. So, of course, it should be individualized because every learner has different styles of learning. And self-paced, this is through CBLM because we have also different types of learnings. So, the fourth principle, fifth principle, sixth principle, the seventh principle, the 8th principle, 9th principle, and the 10th principle. Sir? Okay, so next, the rules of training.
Tulo Rasad.
So, your rules as a trainee is you are to select what you want to learn and when you want to learn it with reason. So, of course, this is a student type of training, so you have the right to choose what to learn and when you want to learn.
Student-centered?
Student-centered.
Student type of learn.
Student-centered, eh. So, okay, so...
Asa may explain mo, ana?
Kadang tulo, sir?
1, 2, 3? Select what you want to learn. First of all, sila may select kung unsa ilang course kwaon. So, bread and pastry, cookery. So, sila may select, di ba? And when they want to learn it. So, sila may magbuot kano sa sila mo sugod sa klase mo enroll. Di ba? Self-paced pagod. Meaning ana, kano sa sila ganahan sugod, kano sa po nila ganahan humnon. Depende man sa mong pacing. Kung hinahinay ka, hinay sad. Sige. Mora na i-explain ha.
Sa
Number 2 daw. Kanang learn at your own rate, self-paced siya. At your own rate, self-paced, di ba? Learn at your own rate. Kung kusog ka or paspas ka, dali mahuman. Mga na, they may speed up or slow down, stop, or even repeat a task. Sige, ikaw daw.
Okay, so second rule of a trainee is to learn at your own rate with program guidelines, training speed up. You may speed up, slow down, stop, or even repeat the task. So with this role of the trainee, so you have your own self-paced learning. So it should be from your from the so English ano answer.
It is based on your
Speed, ano?
oh.
Okay, so it is based on your speed if you are a fast learner or a slow learner, and when you are going to stop because you are feeling stressed, so it also depends on you, and if you are able to repeat the task, then yeah, that's it. Okay, sir. Third is may request to receive credit for what they already know. This is done either through pre-testing or through a review on a task list completed at another training site.
Request a credit kanang mag-RPR, recognition of prior learning. Pwede nimong ipa-credit ang imuhang imuhang nakatunan na una ka experience. So mo submit ka og certification, mga certificate of training, certificate of competency or NC nga related, dayon certificate of employment. So you can request a credit po na mag-RPL. Sige, go explain.
Sige, so with this request to receive credit, so you are to, when you have your trainings, different types of trainings, or you have a prior knowledge learning about this qualification, so you may have to submit your certificate of training or whatever proof you may have that we are going to credit for what you already know. So, okay na, sir?
Paspas na, dito na.
Then, alam mo siya?
Go.
So,
Ikaw,
the roles of trainer, me as a trainer, so I am the learning manager. Basta wala ka na, sir?
Dili, istulo lang, sir.
I am the learning manager.
Ikaw mag-manage sa learning process.
Sige. Then, I will be your facilitator, so I will just be here to facilitate the flow of the learning.
Go.
As an evaluator, so I will have to evaluate and assess you as a trainer.
Sige, go.
Okay. So, what is CBLM? So, CBLM stands for Competency-Based Learning Material. So, the parts of CBLM, we have the information
Sige, ana lang, edit so na. Ayaw na nag-discuss.
So the analysis are the parts of CBLM. There kani.
Muna siya, mga information sheet, self-check, answer key.
So, ano na siya pagbutang. So, these are the...
Muna dito sinumdanan, parehara na.
Sige. So, next is the task and job operation sheet and performance criteria. So, for our monitoring tools, we have the achievement chart. So, i-discuss ba sir din na?
Dili.
The progress chart. And for our assessment methods, we have the written examination, oral questioning, and demonstration.
Sige, go.
Okay, so this is our shop layout. Okay.
Okay, discuss.
I-discuss bilang sa na, sir.
Paspas lang, go.
Katong
Tag 3 seconds kada usa.
Kanang quality control.
Go, sige na.
Sige. Wala pa man ako ito na memorya, sir. So, computer laboratory, this is where the sige, yan na, sir. Kung paano sir.
Sige.
Sige.
Go na.
So that would be the end of our present out orientation.
Palunga na, palunga. Dapat mapalong mo na. Ibda na. I-off. Di ma-off, ibda na lang. Kaya ang remote, dili mo gana. Kung mo gana ang remote, maayo. Sige.
Dahil yung katulungan kong makakad nag-answer sa.
Sige.
Okay, so here is our training activity matrix. So, for those who don't have a prior learning with this qualification, so please, naka to si with prior, sir.
Una sa nas without.
Without.
Ibutang
So,
sa-
na siya. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, for those who don't have any prior learning with this qualification, so I will have you give this information sheet, which is to prepare bakery products. So you have 2 hours and 20 minutes.
Title ana niya kay kan man na siya ng module man na tibuok. Dili ka information sheet ara na. CBLM kina siya. Preparing and producing bakery products. Title na siya sa module nimo. So usa ka unit, usa ka module. It composed of many information sheet, followed by self-checks, answer key. So iyan na ang estudyuhan, iyan ang ansira ng information sheet, iyan ang checka ng iyang answer through answer key. Diyan add to sa asaman. Diya sa learning resource area. Go.
Sige,
So dapat dili diri sa learning resource area ka nag-orient. Kaya mo masandalan sa learning resource area.
so bali na ako siya niya.
Oh, bali na din ang siya nimo karon na.
Sige, ari-ari.
So, sige diha. So, na table diha unya, na lamisa o bangko. Sige, go. Instruct.
Okay, so I have here for those who don't have any prior learning, so I will give you the module for preparing and producing bakery products, and you will be given 2 hours and 20 minutes to read and answer this. So this is the CBLM, which composed of the information sheet, the answer self-check, and answer sheet. So
Answer
please-
key.
answer key. So please read and understand everything. So and after that, answer the self-check, and then you compare your answer with the answer key.
Sige, dala na. Dali na na.
So-
Dala na ka. Dala ni mo na dali. Hatag niya.
So follow me to the learning resource area.
Oh,
So
sige. Hatag niya na diha. Go. Ibili na.
bilin.
Oh, dayon. Balikan
Okay,
nimo si... Muna kag-instruct mo niya. Balikan nimo si Usa, si with prior.
Okay. So with you, Mr. Cadosale, that you have knowledge with this qualification, so I will give you this written test. So follow me to the institutional assessment area for your written test.
Sige, asa.
Okay, deliver, sir.
Oh, go.
So this is a 40 item test. Okay, so you will be given 50 minutes to answer this written test. So if you do not have any questions, so we now start. Please read carefully the instructions before answering. Okay?
Mana?
Kuha na.
Kuha na.
Thank you so much. So let us proceed to the practical work area for the demonstration of your skills.
Sa ihatag. Sa ihatag nimo.
Ko-answer ka ng job sheet,
Dili.
Tasha,
Dili.
performance.
Basta mag-assess kay ka, specific instruction ihatag. Ug mag-training gani ka ato sa practical work area, mo nang task sheet or job sheet or operation sheet with performance criteria checklist. Ug mag-assess gani ka whether it's RPL or in every unit of competency, mag-assess ka. Specific instruction ihatag niya, ang mo rate ikaw, so nani mo ang rating sheet. Same ra na siya og COC2. Oh. Sige, go. Dala na siya sa practical, human na kag-written. Dala sa practical, nadiha ang, sige, go, instruct.
Okay, so here is your specific instructions. You are going to prepare and produce bakery products, which is the pandesal. Prepare and produce pastry products, which is cookies. And you are to prepare and present gateau torts and cakes, which is to bake a chiffon cake. And then you are to present and display petit fours.
So, ihatag ang papel nga specific instruction.
Ihatag ako niya.
Ihatag niya. Dayon pangutan, do you have any question?
Okay, so do you have any questions?
Mm.
If none, you have 4 hours to do the task.
Okay, sige.
And I will be observing you.
Oh, start na. Sige,
Ikaw
mag-rate.
na ko ni sir, dili ba?
Pwede dili ra unya na ihatag sa kanila. Dayon maglibot-libot na kaniya.
Dili ba?
Go. Sige, mga 2
Okay, so-
seconds na.
Done. Thank you.
Mm.
So please follow me to the institutional assessment area for your oral questioning.
Go.
Okay. Please take your seat.
Mm.
Okay, so are you ready for your questions? Okay, so why do we need to use personal protective equipment for our demonstration? And why is it necessary to perform mise en place? And lastly is, what will you do if you run out of supply? Okay, very well. Thank you so much, candidate. Thank you so much, Mr. Cadesale. So, feedback mo ko, sir, sa... Okay, so with your demonstration, you were able to
Written test na.
Written test. So, with your written test, that you have a good result because you've got 35 out of 40. So, that is a good indication. And about your demonstration, you were able to perform and prepare all the products necessary for this qualification. So, congratulations. But however, you forgot to clean your area after you work. So
unsa may ang gap?
Okay na lang.
Napa siya usang gap dapat?
Unsa?
Usa ka unit of competency nga gap, mo na iyang balikan na.
Okay. So, housekeeping. Ay,
Unsa nga unit sa bread?
Okay.
So tagai siya og gap nga usa, porang iyang ibalikan na siya mo na lang i-undergo training. So di na ka mag-training niya og nakapasa na sa tanan.
Ugani sa kailangan nito. So, pwede lang katong sa last sir itong percent desserts.
Pwede sad, sige.
Sige. So, i-apple jam just feedback, sir. So, however, when you prepare your desserts, you are not able to...
When you are, kanang prepare ng present desserts, presentation na sa bread, sa pastry, sa cakes, 554s. So, presentation sa nadaot, tanan nga product daot. So, or okay ang product, pero ang presentation, it's not good. So, mabalik siya og, mo-undergo siya og training sa presentation. Okay ang product. Sana pag-feedback. Product, your pandesal is soft. Okay. Your cakes and cookies are good. However, the way you presented all your desserts, these are desserts. The bread, the kuan, etc. These are desserts. All the presentation of your desserts, the pastry, the bread, the cakes are not good. So, therefore, you were able to meet the requirements of the following competencies. Prepare and produce bakery products, prepare and produce pastry products, prepare and present ghetto torts and cakes, and prepare and display petit fours. However, you have to undergo for the last competency, which is a present desserts, the training of this unit of competency. Sige na, feedback. Sige. Okay, go.
Okay, so you were able to produce the different products, which is your bakery products is good and it is with the standard requirements. Your pastry products are also was also good. Your chiffon cake meet the specific requirements. However, when presenting your desserts,
Usay imong gap sa imong portfolio.
Ay, bakery man to, sir.
Dito na lang siya iba.
Dito na lang siya.
Bakery imong gap. Sige.
Okay, so iulahin ako siya, sir, kay murag bad side man tong iyang bakery. Okay, so
good iyahang pastry, ang cookies maayo. Sige, go.
Sige, so your pastry is good and your cake making is also good. So, however, you were not able to produce your bakery products in the standard requirements. So, you will have to go...
Naon sa yung bakery product?
Okay.
Gahi.
Your bakery products is...
Hard. Yung pandesal mo ito yung pagkama. So, hard.
Your pandesal is hard and does not meet the
standard
requirements for bakery products. So, with this, tagaan pa siyang certificate of achievement, sir?
Yes, i-congrats sa upat ka buok. Tagaan mo siya upat. Tagaan mo siya og upat. Prepare pastry, then ghetto torts and cakes, petit fours, o desserts, present desserts. Na yon, ang iyang gap
is katong bakery products.
Sige, go. Feedback.
Okay, so feedback.
Sige, so
okay, so you were able to present your pastry products in good quality. Your cake is does meet the required standards for the cake making, and you were able to present your desserts well. However, when you are presenting your bakery products, your pandesal is hard, so make sure next time to prepare your pandesal or your bakery products with the standard requirements of preparing bakery products. So, congratulations, Mr. Kadosali, for the... Congratulations for
Job well done.
job well done. So, I will give you your certificate of achievement
Oh, in?
the pastry making.
No, ay gamitan ng mga COC. Sa COC to na gamito ng mga making.
Okay.
In unit of competency number 2, 3, and 4, 5.
So I will give you your certificate of achievement with the competency number 2, 3, and 5, which is
2, 3, 4, and 5.
2, 3, 4, and 5, which is the prepare and produce pastry products, prepare and produce gateau torts and cakes, present and display petits fours, and present desserts.
Diyon.
Ayun.
Update dito.
So I will now going to update your achievement in the progress chart.
So, imo na ng chicken. Dapat nakabutang na nangalan na ha. So, chicken nimo. Diya. So, badlisan na tanan. Dayon diri sa ko. Oh, go, gi. Dayon sa ko. Up. Diya sa core, chikay ra na. Diya. Dili chicken ng bakery. Wa niya nakuha. Oh, okay. O dayon. Diya sa achievement sad. Pwede dili ra diha dagway kay kuan man na nang sa kato man ang sa training ang achievement chart. Ang achievement chart kada human sa task sheet or job sheet. Ang progress chart kada human sa assessment.
Sige.
Kanay okay na siya. Dayon diri na nayanggap. Oh sige. So imo siyang dalon sa
Dalawa ko siya sa learning resource area.
Oh go. Dayon. Sige.
Ay, i-instructan siya sa nakudaan, sir.
Be dalon na. Let's come here with me.
Sige, so please follow me to the learning resource area. Okay? So I have here the module or the CBLM for the present dessert bakery product, preparing and producing bakery products for your gap. So this module or CBLM consists of information sheet and self-check and answer key. So please read the information sheet and then you are going to answer the self-check and then you are to
compare your answer with the
answers with the answer key. So if you do not have any questions, you may now start. So you will be given 2 hours and 20 minutes with this. Okay? So how about you, Miss Kabusog? Alright, so may I have your CBLM? Okay, so very well. Mata ko nagkuan ni sir feedback dili ra.
Dili ra. Sige, diyan. Imo na siyang dalon sa
Dalon ako siya sa practical work
go.
area.
Sige, come here with me.
Okay, so follow me to the practical work area for your demonstration of skills. So, Miss Kausog, here is your specific instruction.
No, training man na. Dili man sa assessment. Mo na manong ingon. Task sheet. Diha na kamo hataw task sheet. Basta training, task sheet or job sheet or unsa to sa operation sheet. Unsa nakalahi lang tolo, unsa nakalahi?
Sa task sheet o ang operation sheet sir kay katong dagko.
Mag-operate og equipment.
So ang job sheet katong mga dagdag
tibuok trabaho. Task.
Pag task sheet katong ginagmay ra.
Sige. Task sa una ihatag.
Okay, so task. Go ako yatag niya sir.
Duha task sa una. Sige. Katong weighing, measuring, selecting ingredients usa.
Sige.
Fire.
Okay, go. So first is I will give you your task sheet, which is to select, weigh, and measure ingredients in baking according to standard procedures.
Sige.
Okay, so do you have any questions? Okay. Yung job sheet na ko, sir.
Sige sa patrabaho sa siya.
Patrabaho sa siya. You will be given
kanang task sheet. It comes with performance criteria checklist. Iyang i-rate yang kaugalingon after that. Sige.
So, your time starts now.
After this, you have to rate your own. You have to rate yourself through the performance criteria checklist attached with that. Di ba kabantay kasi mong task sheet na i-performance after kapag humang task sheet na i-performance criteria checklist. Mo na ihatan mo na ng duha. Sige. Instruct, go.
So I will give you your task sheet, which is to Select, weigh, and measure ingredients in baking according to standard procedures. So, after this, you will rate yourself with the performance checklist.
Performance criteria checklist.
Performance criteria checklist. Okay, so do you have any questions? Trabaho na siya, sir.
Sige. Wait sa 1 second or 2 seconds na yun. Interrupt.
Okay.
Okay.
Sige, go. So, Miss Kabusog, when measuring ingredients for baking, you are going to use different measuring tools for the dry and wet ingredients.
Sige, trabaho. Ikaw. I-explain niya. Use this one, this kind of measuring tool for the dry, and this one is for the wet ingredients. Explain. Shop talk. While you do the demonstration in front of him or her, mag-istorya ka. Explain.
Sige, so, when measuring ingredients in the baking procedures, you are going to use different measuring tools or measuring cups for the dry and wet ingredients. So, you are to prepare different measuring tools and cups for measuring the dry ingredients and also for the wet ingredients. Okay, Joe, you are to...
Sige, use this one for the dry. Okay. Siya na po. Okay, you do the job. Siya na, patrabaho siya, anak.
Sige. So, you do the job.
Ano na yung i-appreciate, very good. You are using the right tool or measuring tool.
Okay, so very very good. Job well done because you were able to use the exact tool for measuring the baking procedures.
Sige na yun. So, na po. Okay, I think you are done. You rate yourself now.
Okay.
Sige.
So, I think you are done. So, please rate yourself now with the performance criteria checklist.
Next na po ka. Okay, let's proceed to the next demonstration. Hagaan mo sa job sheet na.
Okay.
This time, magama na siya dough or mag-bake na yun siya o soft roll ba. Hagaan mo siya recipe. Ang recipe na sa imuhang task sheet or job sheet. Job sheet na ihatag, go.
Okay, so next is I will give you your job sheet, which is to prepare soft roll. So please follow the procedures while doing the demonstration. So if you don't have any questions, you may now start.
Sige.
Sir,
Yes, muska folding yapon ka. Hatag na niya, go.
Okay, hatag na. So this is your job sheet.
Sige, yung observe, tuyok sa niya kariyot. While so na kay dough nga i-prepare, iyang kumuton. Dayon, interrupt. I have noticed that you're having a hard time in mixing your dough or kneading your dough. Here is how you are going to do it. Anak, pulihan mo siya. Sige, scaffolding tawag na. Go.
So I have noticed that when preparing your dough, you're having a difficulty in kneading the dough. So please let me show you how to knead the dough.
Go. Ana jud ka. Okay, then siya na po. Repeat na po siya.
Okay, did you get it? Okay, so now it's your turn.
Okay. There you go. Okay. So you repeat the process. I will give you more time to execute and you repeat your process until you master it. Sige, go.
Okay, so it seems that you have already gained some knowledge on how to knead the dough. So I will give you more time to practice the kneading of dough for you to master it.
Okay. If you are done,
okay, so if you are done,
rate yourself na sad.
Rate na po. So if you are done, please rate yourself with the performance criteria checklist.
Okay, so much for that. Are you done? So please fix everything, clean as you go. Dayon, i-assess na nimo siya. I-record sa asa nga chart.
Progress sheet.
No. Achievement chart. Go, record.
Okay, sige. So I'm now going to record your achievement in the achievement chart.
Sige. Go.
Assuming ako sa ni.
Ay punita to isulat jud to. Hindi kay assuming. Alam mo na ayaw hagpatapot good.
Kung anong bubusin niya, wala siya nagtapag scotch tape sa likod ba yung PC niya.
Sige, go. Bad lazy na i-check na ng uban diha.
Kalito sa.
Up.
Dire yung abot dire.
Diyon, check na ng prepare for bakery products. Kanang tanan. Apil na. Ay dili na kanang sa bakery ra. Bakery pa man kaniya. Pastry na. Go. Dayon,
So,
i-assess na siya.
sige. Di ba mag-written test mo, sir?
Yes, assess na gani. Ang saday.
Okay, so please follow me in the institutional assessment area for your written test.
Paspasi kay wala kay oras. Go.
Okay, so this is a 40-item test, so you will be given 50 minutes to answer that. If you do not have any questions, you may now start, and please read the questions carefully. Okay, thank you. So please follow me to the institutional assessment area.
No, asa mo nana ka diha?
Sa
practical. Balik sa practical.
Balik sa practical, sir.
Kay ko man na performance test na sad. Written test man eh. Performance test balik. Yes, mo balik sa practical. Go, balik. Yung say may hatag na niya. Diha nga time. In this time.
Kuan ka to ng upat nakakuan, sir, dili pa.
Specific instruction, pero pareho ra gyapon diha ra gyapon nga unit of competency.
So please follow me to the practical work area.
Dayon.
So I will give you your specific instruction.
Pagama siya og soft roll.
Okay.
Pagamo na sa soft roll. This time wala ni tabanganay. Re-rate na nimo siya. Ikaw nimo rate, dili siya, ikaw na. True rating sheet na pod. Para sa imong gihimo ganihan ni RPL, ang aron nakalahi ra ni RPL, tanan imong gi-assess niya. Because you are trying to get what she can or to accredit unsa iyang knowledge and skills. Karon, imo siyang gi-exam kani siya kay without knowledge man siya no, kasugod mo from number 1, unit of competency, module 1. Imo siyang gi-training, nag self-paced siya basa sa module ganiya sa learning resource, anhi siya dire sa practical, imo siyang gitudloan on how to measure ingredients, on how to make the dough, di ba? You give him time to practice, and then karon okay na siya, na-rate niyang kagalingon na, okay na, goods na, imo na siyang git-test, written, then performance test na niya siya.
Okay, sige. So follow me to the practical area for your performance test. So this is your di na specific siya?
Specific?
This is your specific instructions. So you are to perform soft roll. So
bake na
you are to bake. You are to prepare soft roll. Prepare and bake soft roll. So please.
Pila ka minutes o pila ka hours?
1 hour. 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Go.
So you'll be given 1 hour and 20 minutes to do the job. The job. Sige, so. Job. To do the project. Unsa may paggamaan mo niya? Soft roll. So you have 1 hour and 20 minutes to do the
product.
Okay? So I will be observing you.
Observe na, go. Wait na langas. Okay, after 2 seconds, time's up na.
Sige.
Clean everything.
So time's up. It's already time, so please clean your area and make sure that there is no garbages remains.
Sige, dito na balik na ka.
Okay, so please follow me to the institutional assessment area for
oral questioning. Go.
Please take your seat. Okay, so Miss Kabusog, how are you? Okay, so your first question is, why do we need to preheat the oven first? Okay, so why do we need to perform mise en place?
Mise en place?
Mise en place. And why is it necessary to knead the dough? Okay, so with the evidences, sir? With the evidences that I have gathered with your written examination, you've got 32 out of 40, so that is a good indication. And during your demonstration, you were able to perform and prepare the bakery products in the standard requirements and with the specific time. So wala na ni siya igap ani, sir?
Pwede na igamay.
Ay, gamay.
I just noticed that go.
Okay, so I just noticed that when you prepare your bakery products, you have Kanang na-over, kanang galing nalapaw siya sa oras na oras.
Okay.
Sige, you have, kabasa mo na siya. Kunay, sir ha. The specific time for baking the bakery products. So, but still, good. So, congratulations, Miss Kabusog.
Kanang mo tagay ka og areas of improvement. Imo taga suggestion on how to overcome.
Sige, so make sure next time when you are to prepare your bakery products, please be reminded of the specific time for baking so that
you can use timer with your cell phone and
you can use your cell phone as a timer for you to ensure that you have your specific time for baking the bakery products. So,
go.
Congratulations! I will now give you your certificate of achievement.
Then
I will now record your achievement in the achievement.
Oh, dili na.
Progress na siya, sir.
Progress na. Gumana naman ka sa achievement.
Sige.
Progress na.
Asa na to?
Asa na to?
Sige ra. Ay, tara.
Sige.
We'll now record na progress.
Linyahin na diha. Sige. Check na ng bakery. Wala pa na siya. Okay, padayon. So much for that na. Dayon, ang usa, kuan na lang. Kato si, kuan ba? Itong with prior, katong gagap, number 1 na lang ang last. I-narrate na lang. Sige, go.
So i-narrate. So, for Mr. Cadosale, so, you were able to answer the CBLM for the preparing and producing bakery products, and wala, and you have
Kasi may sunod buhaton ni mo niya. Next, we will go to practical work area. Inarate man mo.
Okay.
I will teach you on how to bake the bakery products, and we will do the demonstration, and you do the return demo, and then you will be assessed in the institution assessment, and then I will give you this achievement certificate.
Okay, so with Mr. Cadosale, so you were able to answer the CBLM and answer the self-check and compare your answer with the answer key, and you were able to perform the bakery products in the practical work area, and I was able to assess you and and then you were able to apply demonstration, and then the return demonstration, and then after that I have assessed you already, and I have already recorded your achievement chart.
Achievement yung sa progress chart. I-check na natin niya ha. Achievement. Wala na diha. Di sa progress ra. Okay. Wala na sa diha ra sa progress. Okay.
So, I will now give you the
congratulations for finishing. I-congrats nimo si with prior ra. Si without prior, taga ito siya og human feedback niya. Human mo og update niya diha. Si without ba?
Oo, si without.
Taga siya og sa BLM. Sa ikaduha.
Sa ikaduha niya?
Yes.
So, ako ihatag niya, sir, is
number 2. Prepare and producing pastry products.
Prepare and producing pastry products.
Sige, instruct, go.
Okay, so with Miss Kabusog, so I will now give you the CBLM for the prepare and produce pastry products. So, ihatag ko niya, sir. So this is the
Alright, come with me here.
with the learning resource area for your one. So you will be given 1 hour and 20 minutes to answer this. Okay, so gawa na, sir.
Balik diri, taga i-post si Koan. Humana, hapit na ni.
Okay.
Post training na ni. Sige.
So after this, so Mr. Cadosale, I will now give you your post test. So please follow me in the...
Diya lang. Ayaw lang ados ito.
Sige. So this is your post test. This is for 40 item test, and you will be given 50 minutes to answer. So please read the instructions, and if you have any questions, you may now start. Okay? So pag umana na, sir. Thank you.
Dayon.
Pwede mo tayo na yung certificate of training.
Pwede, go, hatag.
Okay, so...
Evaluation sa lagway.
Evaluation. Sige, so... Mr. Cadosale, I will please fill up this evaluation form for our institution and for me also as a trainer for the improvement for the next session. Okay, thank you very much. The yung sunod is matagog certificate of training. So this is your certificate of training for completing the training for the bread and pastry production.
Pila ka hours? 141 hours.
With 141 hours.
Sige, dayon. Sunod.
Congratulations. Next na sir.
Sunod.
Wala na may
Tagay siya og application form og SAG para mo apply na siya ka assessment.
ito yung fill up pa niya.
Fill up this one, apply for assessment. I will recommend you. Sige. Sige, instruct, go.
Okay, so I will be giving you the application form self-assessment
Guide. SAG.
So,
Application form and SAG.
so please fill this out.
Accomplish this one.
This is one for
Then submit it to the office, assessment center office.
Sige. Please fill this out and submit this to the assessment center office.
Thank you so much for everything. That's all for today. See you tomorrow for the remaining trainees. Go. Enak may usan na bilin.
Okay. So thank you so much and see you tomorrow for the remaining trainees.
Di ba? Si with prior mahuman siya earlier. Si without prior nag number 2 pa siya. So napaka-remaining trainees. Pero the demo session is done. Mana kang demo? Muna to. Muna demo sa COC1. Remember that ha. Unsalay mga kung ipang suggest nimo. Ako rin nang na-save sa video i-replay rin eh.
Sige, sir. Ay, mga yun na lang kung copy na, sir.
Kung sa GC, ako yung GC para makita ko sa uban. Very good na ang imong performance. Kung ano lang, gamay na lang finishing practice pa.
Sige.